everybody. This video is about your grandma is going to cook menudo. So we're gonna put first this butter and also this olive oil. Oh, it's already black. Oh my. And afterwards, oh, it's already, hot. And the next one is the garlic. Going to fry the garlic. Mix it. You mix it only. Oh, it's already and brown color. This one, the onion. Mix only. And this one is our chicken. This is what we call chicken menudo. So we're going to put our chicken since the onion is already pepper brown, and also our what's that? An onion, and garlic brown already, and you know what, this one I soak in the fresh milk and also vinegar, this chicken, so that it will be tasty and delicious. Oh my. We're gonna mix only. Gonna wait until it cooks a little bit, so we can put our other ingredients, mix only, and then gonna cover this one. Let's cover for 10 minutes, like that. 5 to 10 minutes. After 10 minutes, so this is now the result, and we're gonna start to put now the other ingredients so that it will become more tastier. Where's that? Now we're gonna put these nor cubes, chicken nor cubes. Only half because it's salty. Next one is we're gonna put these bay leaves. Okay, these bay leaves. That's enough. And we're gonna have this soy sauce. We're gonna put also this tomato sauce. Tomato will make your skin flawless. Oh yeah, it helps in your skin, and this is good. Tomato sauce. Afterwards, we're gonna put also this garlic. And the onion powder. Oh no, too much. We're gonna put also this one, this Creole seasoning to make it yummier, to make it more yummier. And of course, this is Ajinomoto I put in the mayonnaise bottle. And we're gonna put this lemon to make it a little sour, which is I like sour taste. We'll mix only. Mix, 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 mix. And we have still remaining the other ingredients. You know, later on we will be putting the potatoes and carrots and also cream of mushrooms. It will make it creamier. While it's simmering, we can put now the potatoes. Lots of potatoes because I like potatoes. And later on, our carrots. Yeah, mix only. And I like if it is little I don't like if there is this what is this the soup. So I like little dry. So we're gonna mix only and until it will little dry, so we can put the other ingredients. The next thing that we're going to put is this carrot. Carrot is good for the skin, and you can also feed to the rabbits. Oh, this is a favorite of rabbit, and you're going only to mix. It's already on, a little dried. So the next thing is, since carrot is easy to cook, you can eat this one raw carrots if you want to eat salad. And we can put more this sauce, tomato sauce. And also we're gonna put this green peas. It's yummy if we're going to put here near menudo. I like green peas here in menudo. Okay, now it's too much already. You can put a little bit of this. I don't know. Oh, it has no. This one is corn, normal corn, and of course that's what I told you, that this cream of mushroom will make it yummier, creamier. I like this cream of mushroom. So here's the cream of mushroom. I put here to make it yummier, and then we're gonna mix this one. And the most important thing that I'm about to forget is, of course, the salt. Salt will gives it taste to the food. Without salt, so how can your kuan will make it tasty? Well, I put already that tomatoes. I mean that soy sauce, and also this black pepper. So I need to mix only, and you will be the one to only to taste if it is already yum yum. Oh, it's already finished. You need only to simmer once again for 10 minutes like that. And after this, it's done. This is now the result of our chicken menudo. Filipino chicken menudo. So that's all for today. Thank you so much for watching.